In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make payment forms in WordPress quickly and easily. Whether you're managing a small business, a non-profit, or any organization that requires online payments, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens and serves as the main hub for website management. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. Typically, this can be found in the upper right hand corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to take advantage of the convenience offered by Google. Click on Continue with Google. This option simplifies the login process and spares you from having to remember another password. Once you've selected this option, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Pick the one associated with your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the right panel on your dashboard. You'll see a section labeled Quick Links. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will take you to the site editor, where you can make all the necessary adjustments and additions to your site. Now that you are in the site editor, click on your website. This action will allow you to enter the stage where you can make tangible changes that your visitors will experience. Ensure you're on the site that's relevant to this setup. With your website selected, your next move is to click on Add, located at the top left corner of the interface. This is an important step because it allows you to add new features and functionalities to your site. In the search bar that appears, type in the word payment. The search bar makes it more efficient to find specific functionalities without having to navigate through potentially cluttered menus. Following this, you will need to click on the payments option. At this stage, you can set up your payment form, customize it to meet your needs, and finally publish it. Adding a payment option can help you handle transactions seamlessly, providing convenience to both you and your customers. By following these simple steps, you'll have a fully functional payment form up on your WordPress site in no time. It's a great way to offer your audience a reliable payment option, enhancing their user experience and potentially increasing your revenue streams. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.